Sport Touring Motorcycles CB500X Review. Can a beginner bike handle touring? Honda CB500X, beginner adventure bike, sport touring motorcycle, lightweight touring, parallel twin engine, long distance comfort, adventure touring review, YouTube motorcycle channels. The Honda CB500X has built a strong reputation as one of the most approachable motorcycles in the sport touring and adventure touring segments. Designed as a middleweight machine that blends versatility, comfort, and ease of use, the CB500X is often described as a bike that's perfect for beginners yet capable enough for seasoned riders. But the big question remains, can a beginner bike really handle touring? At the heart of the CB500X is a reliable 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing a balanced mix of smooth power delivery and efficiency. With around 47 horsepower, it may not compete with heavyweight tourers like the Africa Twin or the V-Strom 1050, but its approachable performance makes it perfect for riders who want a bike that can handle long-distance comfort without being intimidating. The design leans toward an adventure-inspired look, complete with a tall windscreen, upright riding position, and comfortable seat. This makes the CB500X suitable for lightweight touring, whether on highways, city commutes, or scenic backroads. The ergonomics ensure riders remain relaxed even after hours of travel, while the wind protection and fuel efficiency add to its touring credibility. What makes the CB500X stand out is its versatility. It is equally at home on paved highways as it is on light gravel trails, making it a practical entry point for riders curious about adventure touring reviews. Many motorcyclists consider it a do-it-all machine, capable of commuting during the week and transforming into a reliable touring companion on weekends. Honda has also equipped recent versions of the CB500X with modern features such as LED lighting, updated suspension, and improved braking systems, giving it a more premium feel despite being in the entry-level category. Its lightweight frame and accessible seat height further strengthen its appeal to beginners and shorter riders. On YouTube motorcycle channels, the CB500X has become a sensation. Popular channels like Fortnite, MCN, and independent motovloggers frequently praise the bike for its approachable nature and surprising capability in touring scenarios. One of the greatest achievements seen on YouTube is how the CB500X has been showcased completing epic journeys, including cross-country rides and multi-day tours. These real-world tests have solidified its reputation as more than just a beginner bike. With millions of views on CB500X touring reviews, the bike has proven to inspire confidence among new riders while still satisfying experienced motorcyclists looking for a smaller, more efficient machine. Riders on YouTube often highlight how its lightweight design allows for better handling in city traffic while still being stable enough for highways, qualities that are rare to find in a bike at this price point. Conclusion: the Honda CB500X is far more than just a beginner's motorcycle. It combines the approachability of an entry-level bike with the capability needed for sport touring motorcycles. Backed by real-world adventures and strong recognition on YouTube motorcycle channels, the CB500X has shown that a so-called beginner bike can, in fact, handle the demands of touring and do so with style, comfort, and reliability.